Good morning. It's 8:45. I'm going to prepare breakfast. In the meantime, I'll show you what's inside the room. Our small room. So you can see somebody's sexy legs. So yan, I'll show you our view. There. So we're facing the morning sun. So mainit siya in the morning, but that's not really a problem because malakas naman yung kanilang higher inverter. And from here, if you notice, may gorge. In the middle of that gorge is the Abra River. So this is also one reason I'm not so sad that we're staying about a kilometer away from the main action, because our room is facing the gorge. I have so many good memories of the gorge. Anyway, going back to our room tour, meron silang lace lounge. Kung hindi masyadong magulo, humihiga din ako dyan. Or actually, pinagkakasya ko yung katawan ko dyan while I'm editing the videos. At yan ang mga kalat namin. And they have this bed. I'm so happy about the sheets. Ang lambot-lambot. My only problem is that this is hardly a blanket. So, medyo may kalamigan. And this is your own toilet and bath. Wala lang silang heater for the water, which is not really a problem for TTT and me. Kasi hindi naman kami nag-hot water talaga. Tapos, I like that there's bintana, but they don't have exhaust, I wish they put an exhaust. It really helps a lot. So for some reason, they include a tabo. So this one here is the sink. And if I stand, andito na yung sink. Guys, I'm not tall. So when I make toothbrush, talagang naka 90 degrees na yung katawan ko. But, okay lang. We're not there naman 90% of the time. I'll show you what's outside. You're seeing room number 8. When we came here, we stayed here. That was our temporary room. It has 6 beds, bali tatlong double deck. I don't know how much that cost. So this is how it looks. Beyond those roof is already Quirino Avenue. It's a main street. And at the back is their siblings Airbnb also. So that's how it looks from this side. It looks very clean and new. They have a TV over here, which nobody watches, nobody uses. Yan. There's the balcony. Yeah. So ganyan na yung tsura ng balcony pag nakabukas. Diba? And that's how it's looking outside. That's Formoso St. So if you're bringing your own vehicle, there are enough parking spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos yung gilid. There's still space. So that's our room number 9 from the corridor. So I'm going downstairs because I will cook. And but before cooking, I will get a front shot of the accommodation. That's the kitchen. That's where we're going to cook in a few minutes. And that is their little office. We were saved from making tenga because we arrived at 4 o'clock. So buti na lang, the father of the owner was an early riser and was able to give us the key to the temporary room because they already received a message from the owners in Italy that we were coming in very early in the morning, and we were expecting that we're going to arrive at around 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. But no, we arrived at 4 o'clock. So, umabot na ako dito sa kanto ng Quirino because I also wanted to show you the location. So, that's Quirino Boulevard, corner Formoso Street. There, pag didiretso mo, that will lead you to Partas somewhere. Okay, malapit lang yan. We walk from Partas coming here at 4 a.m. And this side of Formoso Street, about 1 or 2 roads from Quirino, is already Calle Quirino. But not the heritage part yet. Kasi like I said, we're kinda in the suburb part of Vigan, which is not bad because it's just about a kilometer away. That is not a big issue for T and I because back in Pasay, we're also about a kilometer away from LaSalle, Vito Cruz. So this one naman, pag tatahakin mo tong Quirino na to, that's already going to Bantay, to MacArthur Highway. Nilakad din namin yan in one of our vlogs from Formoso to Bantay Church. So this is the street. Marami namang tricycle. Kung ayaw nyong maglakad, mag-tricycle kayo. But syempre, you're in Vigan, so kailangan naglalakad. Kasi kahit naman na suburb yung side ng Calle Quirino na yan, may mga vegan looking houses pa din. So, this is the view of Vacanza as you approach it from Quirino Boulevard. Just look for that sign. I hear footsteps. I think yun na yung customer ko. Di pa ako nakakaluto ng hotdog namin. Good morning.
Good morning. Naibag African.
Yes. Hotdog na pipituhin namin. And we bought Frito Plus. I like this Frito Plus kasi di ganyan yung yung takip. Hindi siya hassle. Buksan. Anyway, it's my turn to cook. Diba? Last night I tried cooking here. Now it's my turn. Let's start cooking. Kung maka-cooking, hindi naman cooking, pipituhin lang natin itong hot dog natin. Chicken hot dog. I forgot the brand. It's Swift. Yeah, sa halagang 105. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And may dalawa pang naiwan sa supot. I use my reading glasses as my eye protection. Kailangan na face shield. Hindi ko kasi siya cut the So, bumili lang kami ng ganito sa Pure Gold Vigan. Pure Gold Vigan is beside Partas. Okay. So, thanks for watching me cooking and doing a small room tour and geolocation of our accommodation. Love, love, love. Please subscribe, share this video, and give some like. There's also a link down the description box where you can show me love, where you can support my contents and vlogging efforts. Okay, bye-bye. From Vegan with love.
Wow.
Wow. Hindi ka